Brand new for 2025 at Rosenheim Herbstfest, Action House is a great addition to the lineup of the fun fair. Let's see how it looks on the inside.
This is gonna be fun.
Every man for himself, like 8%.
I'm really excited about this.
We've seen things like this before at Oktoberfest, but we've never had the chance to do it ourselves. Anyway, this is how not to do it. Alright, level 1 done. Let's see this Action House in action. One thing you have to remember is that this place is absolutely designed for kids, or people who have had a little bit too much to drink. We were definitely the latter. The cost of entry of Action House is €4 per person, but if you come on the Wednesday on Family Day just like us, its half price rides are only €2. If you enjoy videos like this, we recommend you subscribe to join us for the ride. There's not a whole lot more to say about this attraction. It's a lot more fun and a lot more challenging than it looks.
Alright, here we go.
And on to the grand finale, the kind of wooden slide to conveyor belt thing.
Very fun. Oh, there's more! There's more!
One of the coolest things about Action House is that if you climb this ladder, you get to go again. You definitely get your money's worth with this attraction. Maybe not first thing in the morning, but after you've been in the beer tent, it's brilliant.
That's the best thing at Rosenheim right there.
If you want to see more of the fun fair, then you can find our full day at Rosenheim video in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.